Hello everyone. Today has been a good day for me. Even when it was Monday, it ended up good. That's because I followed my algo and did not do anything manually. Right from the morning, I had started my algo and let it do whatever it wanted to do. So in the morning, it took trade over here, and I got my first target over here. It got me out. Then again, it took another position because it broke this line over here, upper channel of the Donkin channel, upper band. So it took another long position and carried for quite a long time. But then over here, it hit this lower band and it got out. And it again took a short position. So then that also carried for a while, and then it again got out over here and it took another long position over here, but somehow I don't know what to. I think because this two happened on the same bar, so my stop got very tight for that because it was a continuation of since the morning trade. So the stop had got very tight and it threw me out over here. So it's practically 0 0. Whatever was the entry, it's like entry at 76 and got out at what 78. Yeah, and then it got me in another long position, which got out at practically the same time, same price. So profit and second one over here pretty much break even. Third one also break even, or little profit. Fourth one also break even. So overall profitable, but these three extra trades were all break even 0 0 0. So okay, good one. It did give me a profit. Uh, Whatever profit target I had, it did give me that. And Algo took the decisions very correctly, very rightly, gave the right signals in entry, exit, stop loss, targets, everything, and it worked very well. The best thing for today was even when it was today, I was, not in sync with the market, but I did not bother and I let the algo do whatever it wanted to do. And I did not bother about, how many trades it's going to take, whether it's going to hit a stop or a target or it not hitting the target by say a few say or maybe LP or so. But never bothered about it. Just let it go and let it do whatever it wanted to do. This has been, I think, the first time that I have been able to keep myself, away from temptation to either get in or get out, and go ahead of the curve, go ahead of the signals. I just waited, let the signals come, and let the algo do it, and it has performed excellently well. Had I done this manually on my own, I think I would have made a lot of mistakes. So today's big progress has been that yes, my manual intervention was a zero today, and that I think has I have achieved that after a long, long time, and I intend to continue it this way henceforth. Once the now that the algo is doing well, some more testing to go, let me have some more confidence on it, and I will let it go and not do anything manually. Whatever happens happens, because then after all, everything is predefined. All the losses are predefined, the targets are predefined, trailing stop is predefined. So I will not bother, I will not worry about anything, and let the algo do whatever it wants to do. And it does so well. I'm so happy about it. So the mindset is slowly changing now. It's thanks to this algo, thanks to all the program, thanks to my meditation for a while in the mornings. Since I started publishing this, I had started meditation also in the morning before the market starts. So it's helping a lot now. So I hope now you also will be doing something similar, doing something to get profitable with your trades. So that's it for today. Happy trading. Enjoy. See you. Bye. Yeah, one more thing. I think whenever there are some live trades, I cannot publish it over here. So what I do is I record the screen and then I put it up on my YouTube over here as Hiren Banker, and it is Hiren 2517. So check out this and. See if you want to see anything which I have done live. Like, see, this was live. I've taken it for 20 minutes, but I just got one signal, and then it was like just holding on, and then I have to stop it off. How much I will record then. So then my intention is that sometime then I will put the whole day live over here, and then put up a live version as well as maybe an edited version to show how the algo has taken all the signals and how it has fired well. So going forward, have a look at it if you want. It will help you to see how it's going through, how I am doing. So okay then. Until then, bye. See you.